Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about Gree AC HC error. It is a very common error in Gree AC, and we are also talk about how to fix this error. It is very simple. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my next update. Okay, first of all, turn off your Gree AC power from switchboard. Turn off power, and now wait few seconds and turn on it again. Okay, now you can set your favorite function again and enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.